Okay.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Ramcharan from Mechanical Lab, and this is Lokesh Verma and Ashwant and Sujata from. I'm here to do an activity, mission mass and war and solve, which I can carry only five things to the max. Like example, oxygen tank, fuel, and solar radiation, radio, like that. That help us to communicate and to survive.
Good morning to everyone. My name is D. Lokesh Verma. Today I go to Mars. I will carry five things to Mars. One is oxygen tank, another one is extra food, and solar powered radio for rescue. It helps oxygen tank help us to breathe. Extra food needs to eat.
Good morning everyone, I am Sujata from Mechanical A section. Today we want to discuss the activity about mission mass, survive and solve. Imagine that you are stranded on Mars, that you can carry only 5 items. I choose the 5 items are oxygen tank, water purifier, extra food and solar powered radio. The first item, the oxygen tank, which is very important for survival. It gives
Sorry for the interruption. What is the activity? Mission mass. You that is individual activity only, no? You can come here one after the other. And what is that camera setting?
Morning everyone, I am Sujata from Mechanical A section. Now I want to discuss the activity about mission mass, survive and solve. Imagine that you are stranded on Mars, that you can carry only 5 items. I choose the 5 items are oxygen tank, water purifier, extra food and solar power radio. The first item, the oxygen tank, which is very important for survival. Oxygen is needed for breathe. And second one is extra food, which gives us energy and strength to help alive until the help arrives. And the third one is water purifier, which helps for safe drinking water, which is very important for survival. And the fourth one is solar power radio, which helps to contact rescue teams and ask for help. And I would strongly, out of this all, I would strongly argue for the oxygen tank, because breathing is very important for survival. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
I am Yaswant. I am from Mechanical. I am talking about 5 things. First one is water tank and madam.
Speak something. What you know. If at all you are going on a Mars, what do you take along with you? What are the important requirements you take along with you? How does it help you?
Oxygen tank,
Very good.
and water. Good morning to everyone. My name is D. Lokesh Verma. Today I want to talk about what is the five important things we have to go on the Mars. First one is oxygen tank. Second one is solar power radio. Third one is extra food and first aid kit and first aid kit. Oxygen is important for breathe, so we have to take it. And extra food needs to eat. And solar power radio is used to communicate with others for rescue. Others for rescue. Water purifier is needed to purify our water and drink it. So I strongly take it oxygen tank for we have to breathe. We have to breathe. Thanks for the opportunity.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I'm Ramcharan from Mechanical J. Today, I want to talk about our mission Mars strategy. Imagine you are on Mars. You should carry only five things. My choice was an oxygen tank, water purifier, solar radio, and extra food and a first aid kit. The oxygen tank was very important for our survival and help us to survive long time until the help was coming. And the solar radio device which help us to communicate and given help for others. So and water purifier also in water also in help very important for our survival to stay strong for long time. So I strongly argue that water oxygen was very important. Okay, thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, I am H. Surya from Mechanical A. I am here to speak about the decision room choosing the right candidate. Basically, from the three members, Ravi, Alia, Simran, I choose Ravi as the good candidate because he has very good technical skills but quiet. Basically, the quiet people are very productive, they are good listeners, and they are performing beast like in the tasks. And he has the good technical knowledge, so he can captain the team and lead in the best possible way to get the best result out of it. Now my friend will explain about Alia.
Hello everyone, I am G. Balteja from the Mechanical A section. I think I would choose Alia because I think she works properly in the team and she cooperates with the others very well, because the teamwork is very important in the team to achieve good outputs and to perform well in the programs. And I think she will manage the others also with good thinking, and she will cooperate with the others. And I want to continue my friend about Simran.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Sridhar. I am from Mechanical J section. I am going to talk about Simran. I would choose Simran because she is very innovative and taking good decisions about our team. And she made good decisions. And one question I would ask in an interview is, how would you manage your time to meet deadlines? I think teamwork is successful when everyone communicate well with others and manage time in. Thank you.
Go back. Hmm.
Good morning to everyone. This is Bhaskar from Mechanical here. My topic is decision group. And candidate is Alia. Alia is a very good communicator but less technical knowledge. I, I, I choose Alia because the name is easy to pronounce. When I ask her how you will handle the teamwork when the team is the team is very acceptable, but each one communications. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Jagdish. Now I am telling about if I go to Mars, how I risk myself. I would do I have to take oxygen tank and water purifier and portable shelter and solar power radio. The oxygen tank is mainly used for Mars has very little amount of oxygen, so I should take oxygen tank to take myself. And portable shelter is mainly Mars has a very cold and high dust, so it can be safe to myself, and I can take shelter with that. And water purifier. If I get a water in that Mars, I can purify it in, for the safe drink. And solar power radio. I can I can I can connect with the earth, and solar power plant is mainly used for and the energy from the sunlight. This is my topic. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kashwant. I am from Mechanical A section. Today, I am going to discuss about mission Mars. If I am stranded on Mars, then these are the five things I would like to carry. First is extra food. Second one is oxygen purifier. Third is water purifier, and fourth one is solar mapping radio, and fifth one is mapping device. Why I like to carry is this because to survive long enough on Mars, we would need extra food, and water is required for energy, and oxygen is also required for long-term survival, and solar radio is required to communicate with people on Earth, and mapping device is used to locate places. So, if I would like to strongly carry one of the things, then it would be oxygen tank. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Aswan. Today, talking about you imaging your mass. I am choosing five items. First one is water tank. Second one is purify extra food. Third one is powder. Fourth one is mapping device. Fifth one is powder ratio. First, first use your this long, long time you see. Long time you prepare it from the extra food. So, what